Everyone has to deal with technology in the workplace. Is that correct? Yes? And it sucks, doesn't it? Because it is so stressful, all of those devices your employer or your job makes you deal with. And the big challenge with technology is that there's really no one that you can call for help. Is that right? IT staff are not, let's face it, IT guys suck, don't they? They certainly do. Although I'm not an IT guy, so I can't make a testament to that. Now, in truth, IT guys aren't always bad, and don't think that this is a bash against IT guys, because we got some pretty good IT guys out there, right? Like Bill Gates. Bill Gates is a pretty good guy, right? No, I agree, because why in the heck do you mess up a relationship with Melinda Gates, correct? That is a good deal to deal with, you know? And our next guy is, well, that's Bill Gates. Our next, and you're goofing it up. But anyway, our next guy, let's talk about Zuckerberg. Let's talk about Mark Zuckerberg. He definitely sucks, you know. Facebook sucks. It consumes our lives, and it makes it a difficult deal. And he's just not a friendly guy, is he? No. Same thing with Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs, he sucks as an IT guy. He was arrogant. The workplace was a disaster, and he couldn't even claim his own kid. So the case is not looking good for IT guys, right? And finally, Elon Musk. My goodness. I swear to God, the guy is from Mars. And that's why he's so intent on trying to get people back to Mars. The guy's a Martian, and he's not a good guy. So that shows why IT guys in the workplace sucks. There's many reasons why IT guys suck in the industry. Number one, they speak nerd speak. How many times have you gone to the IT guy and you don't understand what the hell they're saying? Right? You're like, what's going on? And they're just talking all this gibberish, and it really makes you a little bit more stressed out. The next thing is they are rooting for your IT stuff to fail. They love working on those computers and technology, so they want it to fail. And they do quick fixes, and it just doesn't get your office IT stuff running. So it makes for a difficult case to deal with IT guys. Also, they're horrible on time. How long have you waited to get your office computers or even your personal computers working? Probably days, because they don't care. You know, all they care about is nerd stuff like Star Wars and Lord of the Rings and all that other stuff. And this meme, they think they know more than you. You may have 2 PhDs, a bachelor's, but the IT guy is going to always think that they know more than what you do, which makes for a horrible case. Who wants to deal with that, you know? And what the heck does that say? Because that's all, it says nothing about anything. They really don't know anything about your technology at all. They pretend they do, but they just like working on it. So they'll tell you any kind of cockamamie excuse to deal with your IT problems. And what about that horrible IT guy smell? Everyone can relate to that, correct? It's bad. And why do IT guys have poor hygiene? Who knows? Probably because they're playing Lord of the Rings or video games middle of the night. And the other thing is that they really don't listen to what you're saying. You could say, my printer doesn't work, but then they go and do something else, like get you a new laptop that you've got to learn all over again. So it's really a bad IT situation. And it's not their fault, because IT guys were bullied in high school and in grade school. So there's a reason why they're antisocial and they're so hateful to you. Now, one of the things that you really need to understand is that, unfortunately, IT guys love technology more than they love people. So understand that when you're dealing with your office IT guy. But keep in mind, if your IT guy is becoming such a pain in the ass, you need to pump the brakes and say, whoa, IT guy or gal, get your act together, or I'm going to report you and get you out on the streets. But that may be good for the IT guy, because they're probably more apt to want to play video games than to work on your office computer stuff. But if the situation really gets bad, in all seriousness, you don't have to take the abuse if you've got some asshole type of IT guy. Go to upper management and get it taken care of, because IT guys should be more people-oriented than they are computer-oriented. So keep that in mind. There's always hope, because there's a new breed of IT guys. It's so people-centric that IT guys are going to have to change the way they work, or they're going to have to be out of a job. And then finally, just keep hope that there are superhero IT guys like myself that are articulate and that can help you with your computer office problems. So pray to God and just say, God, Lord, help me, Raise your hands. Lord, help me. Let us get a decent IT guy. So that's my speech. I'm Burton Kelso. Nice talking with all of you.